What's up everyone, welcome to another video. In this video, I will compare an all-season touring tire to a snow tire in the snow. Before we get started, be sure to subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Now, let's get started. In this video, I have an acceleration comparison, a stop distance test, and some personal experience for you, using all-season touring tires and snow tires in light snow. Note that I had a very short window of time to do the tests, but I did what I could on the fly. I would have liked to do a larger variety of structured tests, but hopefully you will find this helpful or entertaining. This test features a 2014 Chevy Impala. The specific tire size is 235/50 R18, so this reflects a typical front-wheel drive sedan with low-profile tires and light snow on the road. The all-season tire is the Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring tire. Although the description initially focuses on sports cars and high-speed cornering, they are also advertised as an all-season tire, offering confident traction in all weather conditions, even on low-friction surfaces like light snow. The snow tire is the Bridgestone Blizzak. These are a softer material, with a tread profile and depth, designed to bite into snow and ice for winter's worst conditions. These are not brand new tires, but they are in good condition. The Coopers have 2 summers on them, and here is the tread depth. And the Blizzaks. This tire has 2 winters on it, and here is its tread depth. The first test is a stop distance test. I ran the speed up to 23 miles per hour, then held the brake pedal to the floor until the vehicle came to a complete stop. Afterward, I used a measuring wheel to measure the stop distance. Let's start with the touring tires. I was super short on time, and there were some camera issues, so I have minimal footage. Here we are, inside the vehicle, getting up to a speed of 23 miles per hour, then applying the brakes. And here is a view from outside, beginning when the brakes were applied, until the vehicle came to a complete stop. After the vehicle came to a complete stop, I measured back to where I reached 23 miles per hour and applied the brakes. The total stop distance was measured to be 62 feet and 4 inches. Again, I would have loved to capture better footage, but I pretty much had a 0-minute window to do this before I had to swap the tires over, so I did what I could. I changed the Cooper CS5 Ultra Touring tires over to the Bridgestone Blizzaks. And with the Blizzaks installed, I repeated the stop test, a little more prepared to film. It continued to snow while they were changed over, so there is some additional fresh snow on the ground. Here we are again, inside the vehicle, getting up to a speed of 23 miles per hour. Then applying the brakes. And here is a view from the outside, from start until the vehicle came to a complete stop. After the vehicle came to a complete stop, I measured back to where I reached 23 miles an hour and applied the brakes. The total stop distance was measured to be 36 feet and 11 inches. Quickly comparing these, the stop distance of the Coopers was 62 feet 4 inches, and the stop distance of the Blizzaks was 36 feet 11 inches. Next, let's take a look at the acceleration. When getting started in the Coopers, the traction slipped. I had to let off the gas a couple times to get going. Take a listen to the engine. With the Blizzaks, they hooked right up, and I was able to accelerate with no issues. Listen to this. Last, I will share some personal experiences. With this car specifically, there have been times in light snow where it would not even move. The tires would just spin on the ground, which is why I pursued snow tires in the first place. With snow tires, it drives like it's summer with no issues. From personal experience, the snow tires are a night and day difference, no question about it. But I do think the need for snow tires is vehicle dependent. I have successfully driven several vehicles through winters for the last 25 years, and currently do so with all-season tires. Sure, there has definitely been plenty of slipping around and occasionally sliding through stop signs. I technically get by with all seasons, but snow tires would be a game changer. In the case of this 2014 Impala, it literally would not move without snow tires. So that's what I have for you. The tests were not designed and planned out like I would prefer, but I was able to capture this in a pinch and figured it might be helpful or entertaining. As always, thanks for watching. Subscribe for more how-to and review videos. Give the video a like to support the channel. Drop any comments below, and I'll see you in the next video.